Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a set of printable junk journal specimen pockets with tabbed cards using an easy-to-use junk journal template. This template set includes 2 pages, one with 2 specimen pockets and labels, and one with 4 cards and tabs. The finished size of the pocket is about 3 inches wide by 4 inches high. The templates come in 2 formats. The PDF format is easy to print and can be used with your own printable papers or scrapbook papers. Or you can use the transparent PNG format in a photo editing program such as Photoshop, Photoshop Elements, or even Canva. Using this format gives you more creative options for designing using digital papers. Included are 2 styles, one with a border for a vintage style finish and one with no border for a clean edge finish. To print using your own paper, open the PDF template file. Make sure the page scaling option is set to none so that the template prints at the correct size. Insert a sheet of printable paper or scrapbook paper into your printer and then print the template page. The PDF templates are quick and easy to use. However, you have more options for creating unique designs when using the transparent PNG format files. To get started designing using the PNG format files, open one of the templates in your photo editing program. I'm using Photoshop Elements, however you could also use Photoshop or even Canva. Then add a digital paper and move it to a layer underneath the template layer. You can resize and move the paper around and even use multiple papers to align the patterns within the individual elements on the template. If there's any unwanted overlap of the papers onto other sections of the template, simply add a layer mask and brush away the unwanted areas. Using a layer mask, you can hide any unwanted areas on your design. To add a layer mask, select the layer, then click the layer mask icon. Select the brush tool and the color black, and then brush over the overlapping areas that you want to hide. Once you've completed your designs, save the files in JPEG format for easy printing. Then print the pages onto sheets of cardstock and cut out all the pieces. The pockets can be made with a top opening or a side opening. For a top opening, cut away the tab at the bottom of the pocket. For a side opening, cut away the tab on the left or the right side of the pocket, depending on which side you want the opening. Then crease and fold the tabs and the centre fold on the pockets. Apply double-sided tape or craft glue to the tabs, then fold the tabs over and carefully press the pocket pieces together. Fold the tabs in half and glue them to the cards. Then insert the cards into the pockets. You can embellish the front of the pockets with the labels that are included with the template set, or you can use other types of clip art embellishments. Also included with the template set is an overlay guide that helps you to align clip art images within the cutout frame of the pocket. To use the guide, in your photo editing program, position it on a layer above the card template, then position your clip art within the frame area. Once you've finished designing, remove the guide and save the file.